If your garage door is uninsulated, there is nothing to prevent cold bridging and heat energy escaping. By installing our EcoPro Garage Door Insulation Kit, you will reduce your energy consumption and create a more ambient temperature in your garage, as it contains a highly reflective 6-layer multi-foil insulation. Begin the installation process by ensuring the door is dust and debris free, wiping down with a damp cloth. Next, proceed to measure the length and width of the garage door. The next step is to cut the multi-foil insulation to size using our multi-foil scissors. Next, apply our Thermoseal double-sided tape around the perimeter of the multi-foil insulation. Also, apply a strip of the material in the centre of the roll. You can then peel back the white backing on the double-sided tape to fix directly onto the garage door. Ensure the insulation is patted around the perimeter for a clean and neat fit. Then proceed to tape the insulation around the perimeter with our Thermoseal foil joining tape. The next step is to install the second half of the insulation, repeating the steps before, fixing the Thermoseal double-sided tape directly onto the insulation piece, peeling back the white backing before fixing onto the garage door. You can then repeat the process of taping and sealing with our Thermoseal foil joining tape. If you have any handles or opening mechanisms, you can cut a small hole in the insulation to push the opening mechanism through. And there you have it, a fully insulated garage door creating an improved ambient temperature. Our garage door insulation kit comes complete with EcoPro multi-foil insulation, Thermoseal foil joining tape and Thermoseal double-sided tape. If you spend long periods of time in your garage, we advise insulating the whole garage with our EcoPro Garage Insulation Kit, which covers the entire garage. You can order our EcoPro Garage Insulation Kits at the lowest trade prices from Eco Home Insulation. We offer free next working day delivery to anywhere in the UK mainland on all orders over £100 plus VAT. Any queries, please get in touch.